I love to create relationships with beings in nature. And it's to help me process my emotions, ground me when I'm feeling overwhelmed in the city, but especially to help me feel more connected to myself and to nature. So today I'm going to honor this milestone with you, and I'm inviting you to take some time and do this practice. It's gonna completely transform your relationship with nature and yourself. Come along. And you might be wondering, why am I talking about nature when this channel is about the body? Well, because nature is the biggest expression of our body. We are made from earth, from the stars. We're no different from the animals and the trees that live all around us. Denying nature as being a part of ourselves is just like denying ourselves. So this is my tree. So how I start these ceremonies is by greeting the being, the tree. And you can do this, this is my favorite part. So yes, there's people around, and honestly, I don't care. It's your life, so do what makes you feel good. I like to put my hands on the tree and just say hi. Feel the bark. And wait until I feel also the energy of the tree being reflected back to me. Right now I can feel my whole body tingling. Hello. Hello, my friend. Trees are the best huggers. They're just so grounded. I mean, they're trees. Imagine how many people have passed in front of this tree, how many stories it's seen, and how much wisdom it holds. So after I've greeted the tree, I start moving with the tree. So first way I do this is by exploring my weight with the weight of the tree. So I might just push my body like this.
Remember, as kids, we would explore the world using movement and our senses. Nature was a playground that helped us understand the potential and the limits of our physicality and creativity. Consider, where do you need more imagination in your life, and where do you require more boundaries?
So the next thing I do is I go into softer movements with the tree, engaging in a dance with the tree. We really want to make it sensorial and see how the hardness of the tree, the rooted nature of the tree, can now help us access our own inner softness.
In our modern society, we are so disconnected from our bodies. We are either with machines all day in front of computers and phones, or we treat ourselves like a machine, not respecting our own limits. Consider, what ways can you be softer with yourself?
We are going to be giving an offering to the tree through our dance. So expressing something that you're grateful for, or if you have the intention of processing something, imagine that you are exchanging this energy with the tree and giving it gratitude for holding space for you, witnessing you, and for everything that nature does for it every day. If you want to be weird, to express yourself, to be free in your body, to heal, to grow, to transform, come to my online healing dance session. It's open to everyone. There's absolutely no dance experience necessary. You don't even have to move in front of the camera if you don't want to, but it's my mission to create more spaces like this and give you permission to be yourself and move and express yourself the way you want to. So if you want to be part of the movement, join today. There's limited spots, so sign up in the link in the description. I would absolutely love to have you here. Thank you so much. Mwah.